Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to the Cybersecurity. In previous video, we discussed about the cybersecurity. In continuation, today we will discuss about the CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If we talk about the cybersecurity, uh, there are three factors or principles: CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These are very important in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity moves around these three factors. We cannot consider the cybersecurity without these. In the core of the cybersecurity, what need to protect here? In the core of the cybersecurity, data or informations, in the core of the cybersecurity. Data and information, data and information are the assets for the any organization. These are very important. Each and every organization try to save from the cyber attacks and threats. So that CIA are the pillars that are standing against the cyber threats. What are the cyber threats? Malware is the cyber threats, DDoS attacks, cyber threats, ransomware is the cyber threats, phishing attacks, MITM, man in middle attacks, viruses. These are the cyber threats that can harm, destroy, and steal the information or data from individuals or at the organization level. So we need to protect data and information. Here now we will discuss about the confidentiality. What is the confidentiality? Confidentiality means something secret, not to disclose to others. Okay, only authorized person can access as when or as and when required. Protecting information or data from being accessed by unauthorized person or parties. It ensures the sensitivity of information. We can classify the data or information like public, confidential, restricted, secret, okay, top secret, information or data for any organizations. Okay, any organizations. What are the confidential information here? What are the confidential information or data? Like we can say that bank account, statement, or personal informations, information like date of birth, name, credit card number, trade secret of any organizations, government document at individual level and as well as organization level. What type of attacks are being done on the attack on the confidentiality? Like we can say that attacks are on the packet sniffing, password cracking, key logging, in this type of attack, attackers install a software that monitor your keystroke of the system, of the keyboards, and this is stored on a file. This file is sent to the attackers or hackers. To be aware about the key logging. Phishing attack, it is a very popular attacks which is used by the attackers or hackers to get the information or steal the information from the users or organization. Now we will discuss here integrity. Integrity refer to ensuring the authenticity of any information, means unaltered, not changed. It also talk about the completeness, comprehensive of data informations when we are sending a data through the network. It ensures the source of information is genuine or not. What are the reason of integrity may be violated? Due to the human error, due to the transfer or transit error, compromise hardware, viruses or bugs in your application by which your data or information may be compromised. Attacks on the integrity. Salami attack. It is a very popular or well-known attack. Data diddling attack, session hijacking, MITM, man in middle attack. These are the attacks are done by the attackers on your information or data. Now we will discuss about the availability. What is the availability? Availability means data or information should be available as and when required only for authorized person. Okay. And guaranteed timely and uninterrupted access to the user. It gives the high level assurance assurance of information availability. The data, information and resources are accessible to the only to the authorized user. It is ensured by redundancy, maintain reliable backup. Availability also depend on the uh, both integrity and confidentiality. So what type of attacks are being done on the availability? DOS attack, DDoS attack, SYN flood attack, or at the last we can say that physical attacks on server infrastructure. So now we need to ensure these three factors or principles to secure the data and informations. As I earlier told you, cybersecurity moves around these three factors: CIA, confidentiality, integrity and availability. In next episode we will discuss about the concept of triple A authentication, authorization and accounting. Okay, so friends, keep watching and keep following the Cybersword for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe the Cyberswords. Thank you.